Yo, what's up guys? It's Dan. Hey, I want to give you a little tip, guys. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Perfect example of this, all right? Go to cryptopanic.com and search for BAT, B-A-T. Search for Batcoin, all right? You're going to see some news come up or some rumors come up that BAT coin was going to be listed on Coinbase Pro, right? And literally this was out probably last night, like late or several hours ago, right? Before the Batcoin was actually listed to Coinbase Pro. Then literally just like a half hour ago, maybe an hour ago, BAT token was listed on Coinbase Pro, right? Immediately the price shot up, I think at least 20-30%, literally within like 10 minutes or something. It just bounced up super quickly. If you would have bought that rumor that you saw in cryptopanic.com by searching BAT, you would have been able to buy that token before it was listed on Coinbase Pro, and you would have been able to make a 20-30% profit, guys. Check it out. Go search for it. Go to cryptopanic.com, search for BAT. You'll see the rumors, then go to a chart, go to TradingView, go to Coinigy, whatever you want. Go to a chart and search for BAT with the BTC pairing, and you'll see that it skyrocketed today, and that's when you should be selling it, when the news, the official news comes out that the token was listed, and the official news is out there now. So anyway, quick tip, enjoy.